Alright, we have a blast from the past. This is going to be another lost key replacement being made. This one's going to be for 1994 ES300. Customer sent us the door lock, passenger side door lock, so we'll end up making the key from scratch, figuring out what the cuts are, and that's it. Make the key and ship it back. They only wanted one key, so we're going to make them one key. For those of you that have the older Lexus and the guys in your area don't know how to work on the older stuff, give me a call. I'll tell you how much it's going to cost. All that, so I'll come back in a little bit. All right, we're back. This puppy's done. Basically, nice spring action. Let's go left, go right. Other side, left, right. That's it. Here's the key cut, nice and smooth. So you need my help, you have an older Lexus, give me a call, or even an older Toyota, whatever, give me a call. I'll tell you what I'm going to need, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. That's about it. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you for watching.